Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to delete apps from Shopify store. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go to your shopify.com and log in into your account. And from here guys, just simply go ahead and go to the settings over here down below. And once you are on the settings guys, just simply go ahead and go to apps and sales channels. And from here, you should be able to see all of the apps that are installed. So in order for you to uninstall it, just simply click on the three dots over here and a drop down will show up guys. And from here, you should be able to see the uninstall option. So just click on it. And from here, you can just simply provide a reason why you are uninstalling. Or if you don't want to provide it, just leave it blank. And from here, just simply click on uninstall. And from there, you'll be able to uninstall apps. And over here, you should be able to see all of the apps that are installed into your Shopify. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.